Hello from ChiNation.com. This is Mark Josie. Today I would like to do a little review on a small pocket knife. Now this is the Boker's brand pocket knife. It's Boker Magnum. Take a look. The knife is actually a hand-forged Damascus steel. See the pattern? And we have a lock here. Okay, so after taking a look at the lock, okay, the lock is right here. You press the lock lightly and you can fold the blade back. It kind of gives you a spring feel, like it automatically goes snap. See, from here. So it's a very cool blade, and I bought it because it's not expensive, but then it's also a hand-forged Damascus steel blade, and it's very unique. So now let me show you how powerful this little knife is with my test that I usually do with the swords. Now this is a piece of paper. Okay, normal paper. Take a look. Almost. Let's try again. You see? You see how crazy that is? Oops. Okay, so you can see that the blade is actually very sharp. See? It's really the matter of skills how you can do some carving of the paper. Okay, so after taking a look at that, let's take a close-up look. This is the piece of paper. I'm going to try to do it as thin as possible. You like that? Okay. You see? Okay, this is what you can do with a good pocket knife. See? Very nice and sharp, and it's also only the size of my palm. Okay, it's very nice and sharp. Now, the second test I'm going to do is with medium target. Medium target cardboard. Take a look. Cardboard, okay? Little tap, a light tap goes in. Again. Okay. Strong, eh? Take a look here again. Very strong. See? Okay, so next we're going to try something new. Pop can test. Now what I mean by pop can test is not to actually go and cut the pop can in half. I'm going to test it by slicing the pop can into a piece of art. Take a look. First, we need to dig in to test the tip. And it'll cut all the way down, like so. And another one. Okay, number 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10. Okay, I did 8 slices with the pop can test. You want to see what happened? Take a look. This is my new lantern. This is the piece of art. Okay, very cool. After that, okay, we need to slice the can this way to split it in half. A little bit more to go. It feels like I'm cutting apple. See? Nice and sharp. Okay, so after doing the test with the edge here, I can feel the edge is still the same. No damage, no scratches to the blade. Now, the next ultimate test will be the soup can. This is a steel soup can top that I just took apart. Now we're going to test the blade by stabbing it through. See what happened? And the tip, no damage. Okay. It went through. Cool, eh? Now let's stab a few more times. It actually went through like this. No damage to the tip. Now let's try a can. This is a soup can. Okay, I stab it 3 times. No damage to the blade. It's very tough. Okay, now let's try the side. Went in with ease. Whoops. Low power. Okay, you see? Good. Now with all these tests, okay, if the knife is a cheaper one, then the edge may be ruined already. Now, take a close-up look. Wait, let me get some lighting going on. Okay, great. Now you can see it. Okay, with my knife here, doing the same thing. You see? Still sharp. No damage to the blade whatsoever. It's a smooth cut. One more time. See? Smooth cut. Here. Smooth cut. No chip, no nicks, no nothing. Take a look. And the other side. Okay, so that is the test I did with the Boker Lady Magnum. Now this blade, okay, overall I think it's a great pocket knife, but not a combat knife, of course. Okay, but it's actually tough enough and compact enough for everyday use. No matter for opening stuff or even opening the can, whatever. Okay, this is a very nice knife, and if you're into knife collection, I strongly recommend getting one of these. It's not expensive, and it's very cool because it's hand forged Damascus steel. Enjoy my review. Hope you like it, and remember to subscribe and like. Bye bye.